DR 2379. Here it is a question of limits. We have to recall limit x tending to 0, x cube upon x. The limit of this will become equal to 0 because the power in the denominator is less and the power in the numerator is more. If you observe limit x tending to 0, if I write x cube divided by x cube plus x power 4, now I can say that I can take common x cube from the numerator denominator and then I can divide, then the limit will become equal to 1. This 1 is obtained because of the coefficient of x cube in the numerator और डिनोमिनेटर में भी कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x क्यूब 1 है. यहाँ पर x क्यूब कॉमन निकालने के बाद जो x पावर 4 है वो x बन गया है और x is tending to 0, so this terms vanishes, hence we will get the limit is equal to 1. Suppose यहाँ पर कुछ ऐसा है limit x tending to 0, if it is x cube divided by x plus x cube, तो यहाँ की लिमिट you will not get equal to 1. It will not happen. If you observe here, suppose if it is limit x tending to 0 and it is x cube, now if I write here it is ax plus x cube, now I want the limit to be equal to 1. अगर ये limit equal to 1 है तो यहाँ पर what should be the value of a? I can say like this, if a is 1, as I have seen here, limit will not become equal to 1. If this becomes of this type, then you will get the limit equal to 1. That means here the numerator and denominator must have the same coefficients and the terms less than x power 3 must vanish. I have to see that if this must vanish, the value of a must become equal to 0. This is the concept I am going to use in this question. Now I am writing here, it is limit x tending to 0, x cube, and here it is a plus x. In another bracket it is bx minus sin x. This limit must be equal to 1. यहाँ पर हम sin x का भी एक्सपेंशन यूज कर सकते हैं. हमें मालूम है sin x का एक्सपेंशन x माइनस एक्स क्यूब बाई फैक्टोरियल 3 एक्सेट्रा. हम यहाँ पर sin x का एक्सपेंशन को लिख लेंगे x power 5 by factorial 5, so many terms. If I substitute here, then I will get here it is limit x tending to 0, x cube under root of a plus x bx minus, I substitute here x. If I substitute this is minus, here it is already minus, this will become plus. I write x cube by 6. Higher terms I will get here minus x power 5 upon 120. Now I have to see that the limit must be equal to 1. I can say here it is x cube, यहाँ पर it is constant plus x, and this is containing x cube, x power 5. I can see that the term containing x should be vanished. ये term की value equal to 0 हो जाना चाहिए, या ये term vanish हो जाना चाहिए, ये term का जो coefficient है वो equal to 0 हो जाना चाहिए. यहाँ पर the term is nothing but b minus 1 into x. This must become equal to 0. Therefore, I will put b is equal to b minus 1 equal to 0. Second thing, this will not become an indeterminate form. This will become equal to root a only. Now I can say that this will become, here it is x cube, it is root a, this is vanished, now it is x cube by 6 minus x power 5 upon 120 plus so on terms. Limit must become equal to 1. Now I can say that from this x cube and from here x cube, if I take common and cancel out, Now if I put x is equal to 0 in the remaining terms, this x power 5 will become x square, other terms and x square will vanish. I obtain a term like this in the denominator. Now this I can evaluate here. If I just cross multiply this, I will get here it is 6 is equal to root a, 36 is equal to a. Hence I can say that the answer is b is equal to 1 and a is equal to 36, which is in the A option.